All right, here's a quick demonstration on how to use Loom. You can see that I am in my school Google Chrome. I've already signed in because you can tell that right in the corner, that's my school icon. And I have the Loom extension installed. Now I'm ready to make a video. I'm going to simply click the extension, and each day you'll just have to sign in with your Google account, which isn't hard because it remembers all your credentials for you. So just choose Sign In with Google, choose your account, and now it's ready to record. So it's actually going to start a new tab for you if you want to because it has this new tab. And notice when it first comes up, it has your picture in the lower corner. You can actually move that so you can be wherever you want to on the screen. You can also choose to turn it off by going up here to the upper corner, and you're going to do the pull down and say screen only. And by having screen only, it is screen only. You can have still has your voice, but not your picture. You can even take this little icon out of the corner by coming here and hovering over it and choosing the X. When you're ready to record, you are going to choose if you want the full desktop or current tab. I usually use full desktop because I'm moving around to a lot of different places. If you're only recording in one tab and not going different places, that could work for you as well. So I'm ready to start recording. It's going to actually ask me which screen I want to record because I have 3 screens. I want to record this main screen here. I'm going to choose that screen and choose share. It's going to give me a countdown, and I'd always choose, you can opt to hide this down here at the bottom. I'm going to hide it. Now from this point, you can go to anywhere and start recording. I mean, it's recording right now. You can see this in the lower left-hand corner here that it's recording. You can pause the recording if you want to. I can go to a web page. I can scroll around. I could like this. One trick that is cool is that you can, like I said, you can pause when you're on this. So if you have to cough or sneeze or if the phone rings or something, you can pause and come right back to it. So I'm just going to come back to this tab right here if I want to, and I'm going to end this recording. So when I choose to finish the recording, it's actually going to pop up in a new tab, and now you can title this recording. So this is just a demo recording. And then hit enter, and that is the title of it. You can see that it chooses to play it back at a faster speed. I'm not one for that because I think it makes people's voices sound weird. So I always move it back just to 1x. It shows you that's a 39-second video. You can actually trim the clip if you want to. So if you ran a little long and forgot to turn it off, you can shorten back that end, or you can kind of cut out some at the beginning. Most likely, I don't do a lot of this stuff. And at this point, really, it's all ready to share. So now you want somebody to watch your video. You simply click this link in the upper right-hand corner, and the link is copied. And now you could go to your email and share that link, and they can watch your video. At any time, you can get back to your library of videos by hitting library over here on the left-hand side. And you'll see that I have a lot of videos in here, lots of different videos, and I can go back at any time and grab the link for them and share them. So say I wanted to get this link again, I can just go right to it. I can copy that link and be able to share that video again. I've used Loom for a couple years now, so you can see that I have a lot of different videos in here. So that is the quick 411 on how to use Loom. Hope you enjoy using it.